กนิ่งชิดให้อาทิตย์แอกนิ่งชิดให้อาทิตย์បងកថានឹងនាំទៅតែរងអាគូឯកนิ่งชิดให้อาทิตย์
Oh, okay. You take it here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Smell, I cannot, you don't know the smell. This one put in also.
Okay.
Someone, they don't like it, we don't put it inside.
It's mushroom?
Yeah, mushroom.
Okay.
This one we put on the top. This, take out that one. And cut small. This one we take from yesterday. It's not good. Coconut shrimp also.
Okay.
Khmer Curry also.
Khmer Curry also?
Yeah.
Of course.
This egg take all, white and yellow take all.
Amok, you eat it at your house or only restaurants?
But sometimes I make at my house also.
Sometimes you make to your house? Okay.
But I didn't make the same that one. I made like the soup.
Okay, with soup. This is not soup.
No, it's the same, but I put a lot of water and then the same soup. And
Yes.
make it before.
You make it before?
Yeah.
With what?
With a lot of ingredients.
A lot of-
Yeah, I cannot tell you.
Okay.
But we only put lemongrass.
Lemongrass, of course.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's better. And make again. We make again.
What is this?
It's,
Chili?
no, not chili, not chili. Sometimes I always forgot the name, but I can
It's
show
okay.
you. But I can show you.
Okay. Ah, ok. Tu sais ce que c'est?
Non. Like
Ils font de l'huile avec ça.
Ouais, c'est...
color.
Can I smell? Ah, ok, I don't know this.
Ça donne un petit goût quand même, un peu sucré.
Ouais, ça a l'air bon.
Je sais pas. Je vais en prendre un peu. J'ai pas mis dans le mien. Oh, pardon.
Okay.
I always.
It looks like sugar.
Yeah. Sometimes my book. When he take the coffee, he take that one to put inside.
Ah ouais, il m'a coffee.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Hey. Do like this, make and then put inside. When you put inside, you turn on the light. Do around. Take out all the water.
You do this with the banana leaf?
Yeah, we do. Sometimes I count the feet also, but sometimes no, I don't.
Beautiful.
And this one take put also inside also. Rang nói.
Yeah, friend in France.
Friend in friend.
Work in France in the restaurant.
No, maybe fine, you know.
Il donne un goût aussi comme ça quand tu mets avec la feuille de...
You can.
How long you been working?
Yeah, I worked
Here?
long time ago.
Really?
Yeah.
How many?
Maybe 20, no, like maybe 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah.
Wow!
Oh, I love this place.
Yeah, this place is really nice. Oh, how old are you?
36.
36?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I have some also.
Really?
Yeah.
How old? Your kids?
The first son, 11 years old, and one more son, 8 years old.
Okay, 11 is... Okay. It's Dap Mui.
Yeah.
Dap Mui.
Yeah.
And other one is 7?
Prambai. Prambai.
Prambai. Yes, 8. Prambai.
Right here and Bimbo.
Ah.
That is one ingredient.
Oh. You do that?
Yeah. But not good. It's good. Coconut cream you put on the top also. I like fresh coconut cream.
Hello. Looks good.
Wait a moment, I can cut.
C'est joli, hein?
C'est magnifique.
Il y a toujours cette mention, ça va. Avec, elle fait l'énorme bloc. À la base, après les portions.
Ouais, c'est...
Maka steak Sa Vuth.
This one, maca water.
Maca?
Maca with the oil. Yeah, maca water.
Maca water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Color for curry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, be careful.
Nè.
Ah, it's this.
Fish fry.
Macaque tree. Okay. Thank you very much. Good? Oh, wow. Thank you so much.
ចង្វាងបនចទើបមករំសំល្អ ស្រឡាញ់ថានឹងរំជាមួយ